Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan banana bread, and let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to take your alternative milk and place in the white vinegar, mix it and then let it sit until you need it later on. Then into a mixing bowl, don't forget to add in your dry ingredients, which are the flour, the raisin agents and the sugar. Then mix these together until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in your vegetable oil, followed by the milk mixture that we made earlier on, then not forgetting the vanilla extract. And then you can also go ahead and add in your ripe bananas and add them all in at one go. It's the easiest way to make this recipe work. You may think the mixture looks a little bit dry up until you add the bananas, but adding the bananas will make the cake batter look like it should. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the very bottom and top of the bowl, as that's normally where bits get stuck. You can then go ahead and transfer into a loaf pan which has been lined with some parchment paper and bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. Here is what the banana bread looked like the following day, so I baked it and cooled it on the night. And then I finished it off the following day. So you could add buttercream, but I really didn't think this recipe needs it. Just take your loaf and slice it up into quite thick wedges. As this is not as dense as a normal banana bread, it's actually a little bit lighter, which makes it a lot nicer. So cut yourself a few slices, or as many or as few as you like. And then here's what it looks like on the inside. It smells so good. I promise you, this is well worth making. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.